What's going on YouTube? My name is Todd with SKing.com. Hit you with another video. In this video, I'm driving home from work and had a nice moment. My last video, I talked about thanking God for everything I have, thanking God for the small things I got. And another thing I was thinking about, one of the best reasons to have a blog. See, if you think about it, you can, with a blog that's powerful, let's just say that you can make money with the blog. And people don't take advantage of that. So, blog take a long time to make money from. We all know that. We all established that. But did you know that you could timestamp all your work for weeks, months out? So let me put in this perspective. Let's say you have a cutting grass business. Let's say you cut grass for a living. You work a certain amount of hours, and then the summertime, spring, in like April, May, June, July, August, September, into October. When it gets around November, it starts getting cold outside. The grass starts dying off. Grass not growing. They might have a few contracts here and there, but you're not making the same amount of money that you were in the spring and summer. Well, did you know in the wintertime where times are a little tight and slow, did you know that, because let's face it, I don't cut my grass for the whole winter, so you're not making the same amount of money. But did you know that when times are slow, you can write blog content during the winter and timestamp them to go out all summer long? I'm pretty sure all summer long, spring and summer and some fall, you're busy all day. You're working every day, making all the money, and you gotta account for days that pour down rain. You probably don't work that day. That takes account too. But did you know that when you're in the wintertime, November, December, January, February, March, during those cold times, if you write, let's say you do one post a week. So you write 4 posts for a month. So did you know that in week 1, if you write 4 posts, you're done for the week. Week 2, if you write 4 posts, you're done for the next month. So November, December, January, you write 4 posts, you can for 3 whole months. So what you could do is timestamp those blog posts to go out in the spring and the summertime while you're working all those hours. You see what I'm saying? And you're not, my eyes bothering with allergies. And you're not wasting, you're working your full-time job, making as much money as you can, and your blog is on autopilot. One of the best things about having the blog is the ability to timestamp your work. If you want to take a course, let's say you want to take a course on building houses, and it's a month-long process, you can timestamp all your blog posts, all YouTube videos during the whole month while you're gone. Did you know that? I mean, if let's say your job has an event and you're gone for a week or 2 weeks, whatever. Let's say fly out somewhere and you're gone for 2 weeks to a convention. Did you know that you could timestamp your blog post to go out live while you're in the convention, while you're traveling and flying? So that it just saves you time. Your blog is running autopilot. You have this thing out here in the world can make you money while you're doing your full-time job. People, I'm trying to say, start your website, start you a YouTube channel. You can do all the work now. See, cause my goal is I'm doing enough work to last me 3 months. Enough blog posts, enough YouTube videos, enough emails to last me for 3 whole months. So when month 1 and month 2, I'm planning on starting real estate. I'm planning on doing another business. While my online business runs itself and the work is already done, I'm studying something else in between time. So you should do the same exact thing. You should timestamp your work and do something else. Because the blog takes time to get traffic. While that's going on, start your offline business. Start your cutting grass business. Start your power washing business. You know what I'm saying? Start your painting business. Do Uber full time. You know what I'm saying? Do Uber. I mean, just imagine you had Uber and you had a full-time job, you had a blog and YouTube channel. You can make some serious dough like that. So I'm saying that one of the best things about blogging is time stamping your work. You batch all of your work at one time, and then you go out, you drip it out week by week by week by week. So you want to do, if you do 1 post a week, you write 4 posts at one time. It might take you 2-3 hours, and you're good for the month. And then the next week or the next 2-3 days, so you do it on Monday, say Thursday, you write 3 or 4 more posts, and you're good for the next month. So once the cutting grass season pick up and you start making a whole lot of hours, you can timestamp all that work and you're good to go. So my name is TylerSking.com. I want to bring that message. One of the best things about blogging is it's passive. You write the content. You could write all your content in 2-3 weeks and chill. You make money while you're sleeping. You can make money while you're working your full-time job. Your blog making you money and you're making money. Blogging is awesome. Blogging is awesome. Start a YouTube channel, start a blog today, and you don't have the tools. Below the video, I have a link to Bluehost. You get a free domain with a new blog startup, and I have another link to a free course for affiliate marketing to teach you affiliate marketing the right way. I'm TylerSking.com. Thanks for watching.